In primetime news this evening, $50 million reward fund. PM announces latest incentive amid reports that criminals are planning to wreak havoc this Christmas season. Price on some local produce increase as much as 150%. And uncertainty looms for workers as a legal battle between construction company and the National PC Bank drags on.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Andrea. It's that time of year when Jamaicans typically use more money. So, how much is in circulation? I'll give you the latest data on currency issued and where the bank projects it will go a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Jordan. He's also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, it's hardly a surprise, but Jamaica's women have come out on top of the world ahead of the likes of the USA in athletics following a points tally from the World Athletics Championships in Oregon earlier this year. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thank you, Jordan. We also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. With the World Cup now over, how can the Reggae Boys improve their chances for the next staging in 2026?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.